Hey everyone! Before we jump into today's video about earning real cash just by playing games, take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on the best ways to make money online. And let me know in the comments, what country are you watching from? I'd love to make more videos just for your region. So let's talk about Blitz, the app that's blowing up right now for real money gaming. Blitz is basically a competition platform where you can play classic games like solitaire, bingo, pool, helix jump, ball blast, blackjack, and so many more. The best part? You're playing against real people for real cash prizes. It's not just for fun anymore. Your game skills can actually earn you money. Blitz already has over 1 million downloads and a crazy good 4.6 out of 5 rating. That's a big deal in the world of gaming apps. Downloading Blitz is totally free, and once you're in, you can choose from over 15 different games. Each game has free practice rounds that only cost a few gems, so you get to sharpen your skills before ever risking a dime. Now, if you're feeling competitive, you can join cash tournaments. The entry fees are usually super low, sometimes just 50 cents, up to a couple of bucks. And the prize pools? They range from a quick 25 cents to $50 or even more, depending on the game and the tournament. I've seen people turn their spare time into some seriously nice side cash just by playing their favorite games. What's really cool is that you don't even need to spend money to get started. You can earn gems from free games and eventually use those gems to enter cash tournaments, so you can totally build up your bankroll without ever making a deposit. Another awesome thing, referring your friends gets you extra rewards, so if you know someone who loves gaming, invite them and stack up those bonuses together. Once you hit $10, you can cash out directly to your PayPal, Apple Pay, or straight to your Visa or MasterCard. Super easy and super fast. So if you're into classic games and you want to turn your skills into legit prizes, Blitz is definitely worth checking out. Why not have fun and win a little extra at the same time? Let me know in the comments if you've tried Blitz or if you have any other money-making apps you want me to review. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're always in the loop for the next money-making idea. See you in the next video.